Welcome to our detailed analysis of the Rork AI app. This innovative tool leverages advanced artificial intelligence to help businesses streamline their operations. Rork AI app offers a comprehensive solution for data analysis, predictive analytics, and machine learning, making it a valuable asset for any business looking to optimize their decision-making process. Rork AI app's key features are designed to meet the diverse needs of businesses. Its data analysis capabilities allow for efficient data processing and interpretation. The predictive analytics feature helps forecast trends, enabling proactive decision-making. The machine learning component learns from data patterns to improve future results. Additionally, the app's user-friendly interface makes it accessible to users of all skill levels. When it comes to pricing, Rork AI app offers a flexible model that caters to different business sizes and needs. There are various pricing tiers based on the level of functionality and support required. For small businesses, there's a cost-effective option, while larger corporations can opt for more comprehensive packages. Free trials are available for all packages, allowing you to test the app before committing. Rork AI app is ideal for businesses looking to improve their data management and decision-making processes. It's perfect for companies that need to analyze large amounts of data quickly and accurately. Marketing teams can use it to predict consumer trends, while finance departments can leverage it for financial forecasting. The app is also useful for research institutions that require in-depth data analysis. The advantages of Rork AI app are numerous. Its advanced AI capabilities save time and resources by automating complex tasks. The predictive analytics feature helps businesses stay ahead of the curve, while the machine learning component continually improves the app's performance. Plus, the user-friendly interface minimizes the learning curve, making it easier for teams to adapt. Despite its many benefits, Rork AI app does have some limitations. Its advanced features may be overwhelming for beginners. Also, while it's designed to handle large data sets, extremely large volumes could slow down performance. Lastly, the pricing could be prohibitive for smaller businesses or startups with limited budgets. Key takeaways from our analysis are: Rork AI app offers advanced AI capabilities for data analysis, predictive analytics, and machine learning. Its flexible pricing caters to different business sizes and needs. The app is ideal for businesses seeking to improve their data management and decision-making, but it may be overwhelming for beginners and costly for smaller entities. In conclusion, Rork AI app is a powerful tool that offers numerous benefits for businesses. Its advanced features and user-friendly interface make it a valuable asset for data management and decision-making. However, it's important for potential users to consider its limitations and ensure it aligns with their business needs and budget. Thank you for watching our analysis of Rork AI app. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. We appreciate your support and look forward to providing you with more valuable information in the future.